Hello students, we have learned 3 chapters. Now we learn 4th chapter, and name of that 4th chapter is Area of Plane Regions. Chapter number 4, Areas of Plane Regions. Now you have to find the area bounded by a curve. The curve is of the type y is equal to f of x, or x is equal to g of y, or x is equal to f of y, any terms. Or you know the equation of ellipse, you know the equation of parabola, you know the equation of hyperbola, cardioid, cycloid, and from that you convert in the form of y is equal to f of x or x is equal to g of y, and you find the area bounded by the curve. The area bounded by curve y is equal to f of x. The curve is of the type y is equal to f of x. The axis of x and the two ordinates x is equal to a and x is equal to b is given by the definite integration of f of x dx, integration going from a to b, or integration of f of x means y, integration of y dx, integration is going from a to b if the curve is y is equal to f of x. Similarly, the area bounded by a curve x is equal to f of y, the axis of y and the two abscissae y is equal to c and y is equal to d is given by the definite integral f of y dy. F of y means x. Integration is going from c to d. Integration of x dy or integration of f of y dy and integration going from c to d. So these definite integrals give the area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, or the curve is of the type x is equal to f of y, integration going from c to d. Here c and d are the two abscissas, y is equal to c and y is equal to d. Abscissa means y coordinates. Now the process of finding or the process of determining the areas of plane regions is known as quadrature. This process is known as the quadrature. Quadrature. Quadrature means the process of finding or determining the areas of plane regions. Now we see one example. But what is standard equation of ellipse? Standard equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. If you ask find the area bounded by ellipse, means you convert it in y, in terms of y or in terms of x. Then what is equation of hyperbola? Standard of equation of hyperbola is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. And standard equation of parabola is y square is equal to 4a into x. And next, number 4th, equation of catenary. Equation of catenary is y is equal to c into hyperbolic cos of h c upon x, cos h upon c. C is constant. Then what is cycloid? Equation of cycloid is x is equal to a into theta minus sine theta and y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Or you can take theta plus sine theta also, no doubt. And y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Or there are so many equations, you can find the area bounded by such type of Cartesian equation. So we see one example. find the area bounded by a ellipse. So you know the standard equation of ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Solution. So you know the equation of ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Suppose this is the equation of ellipse. X axis, this is y axis, y dash and x dash. X axis, y axis, don't write x dash, y dash. Here suppose O has coordinate 0, 0. Suppose A here, it has coordinate this much distance O to A 0, and here A dash minus A 0. B, suppose here B dash, and P is any point on this portion AB. Now we have to find the area bounded by ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now you observe here x axis and y axis divided this ellipse into 4 equal parts. Means ellipse is symmetrical about x axis and it is symmetrical also about y axis. So here there are 4 parts. OAB, this area, OAB, this shaded area, then OB A dash, then OA dash B dash, then OAB dash. So if you find the area bounded by any part and if you multiply it by 4, then you get the area bounded by the ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Solving equation of ellipse. What is equation of ellipse? Equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. You solve this equation in terms of y or in terms of x. Therefore, this can be written as y square upon b square is equal to 1 minus x square upon a square, or this can be written as a square minus x square upon a square. Therefore, y square is equal to b square upon a square into a square minus x square. Therefore, what is the value of y? Y is equal to square root of this. Square root of b square upon a square means b upon a into square root a square minus x square. So this is the equation of ellipse number 1. Suppose this is number 2. So first you find the area bounded by the region AOAB or ABO. Then area bounded by region or bounded by region OAB. OAB is equal to integration of f of x dx. Integration going from A to B. F of x means here y. Y is equal to f of x. Therefore, is equal to integration of y dx. Now here A means coordinate of O. X coordinate of O is 0. So integration going from 0. And x coordinate of A is A. So integration going from 0 to A. Y dx. Y means B upon A root A square minus x square. So is equal to integration going from 0 to A, B upon A into square root A square minus x square and dx. So this is the area bounded by OAB, and required area of ellipse is equal to 4 into area bounded by the region OAB. Therefore, area of OAB, area bounded by OAB is equal to B upon A outside the integration. This is the definite integral. Integration going from 0 to A, and y dx means B upon A root A square minus x square dx. So here integration of A square minus x square dx, this is the standard format, standard formula, and is equal to B upon A, and standard formula, its integration is x upon 2 into root of A square minus x square, then plus A square upon 2 into sine inverse of x upon A. So this is the direct y formula. Integration going from 0 to A, upper limit is x is equal to A and lower limit is x is equal to 0 by fundamental theorem of integral calculus. So is equal to B upon A into upper limit minus lower limit. If you put x is equal to A upon 2 into root A square minus x is equal to A square. A square minus A square means 0, means this term become 0, plus A square upon 2 into sine inverse A upon A. A upon A means 1 minus x is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 0, then plus, then minus, here plus minus minus A square upon 2 sine inverse 0 upon A. Sine inverse 0 means 0. X is equal to 0. Value of sine 0 is 0. Therefore, lower limit is 0. Therefore, is equal to B upon A into, so this term becomes 0, plus A square upon 2 into sine inverse A upon A. Sine inverse A upon A means sine inverse 1. And you know that sine pi by 2 is 1. Therefore, sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. So, is equal to 1A cancel. B into A into pi upon 4, or pi AB upon 4. What is this? This is the area of OAB. OAB. Required area of ellipse is equal to, therefore, required area of ellipse is equal to 4 into area of OAB, area of region OAB. So is equal to 4 into pi AB upon 4, pi AB upon 4. 4 cancel. Therefore, is equal to pi into A into B. Therefore, required area of ellipse is phi AB. Standard equation of ellipse here, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So, in this way, you find the area bounded by the any Cartesian curve. So, we stop here. Thank you.